So today, guys, we'll tag, and I'm gonna teach you a tutorial. So the first thing is wall climbing. It's very simple. All you gotta do is stand here and boom, boom. It's very simple. You gotta stand around here, launch yourself at the wall there, and then just launch yourself up. Not forward, not backwards, up. And put a bit of force sending you that way, and up. So you're like, boom, boom, instead of being like, boom, instead of that. So, if you already know how to do this, good for you. Okay, pinch climbing. You gotta do that, and then launch, and grab again. Launch, grab again. Launch, grab again. And when you get good of it, you can just do that when you get good. So, if anyone knows how to do those two, you're good. Don't mind me. I need to put him in the fire. There we go, we can continue. So, what next we're going to learn is moving fast. You don't want to be like this if you're new. You want to be like that. Wall running. Very simple. Oh yeah, and this is wall climbing. Gotta do just boom, 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 boom. Wall running. Gotta do your hand like that and just push yourself up. See, I almost made it to stump there. I can, but I was showing you how to do it. So you guys know how to do that. You should know how to do some jukes. Like this juke. I don't know where you've gone. Or this juke. Darn it. I don't really know how to do this juke. Yeah, that's a really one I don't know. Really. But here's another thing. You gotta put your arm like that. I can't even do this one. You gotta I see people doing this. I see them. I'll show you it. Look. It's meant to be like. Let me show you what it's meant to be like. If you want to go across here, it's meant to like go up like that. And it's when you're doing it, you want to like do a certain pattern, and you'll be able to go up. Because I can't do it, I just get stuck. So, you know how to do all those things, you're a champ. You are. But watch out for people in competitive mode. They will just never get tagged. They're too good. But that's going to end the tutorial here. So, hope you guys like. Yes.